Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy DIYs using these new items I recently found at the Dollar Tree. Alright, so Dollar Tree carries these wood panels in three different colors, the black, the brown, and white, but I only found the black and the brown. I will be using four of these little black panels and I'm going to glue them together to make a big sign. Here I only glued three because I thought I was only using three, but I ended up using four. Now I'm using these little wreaths that I got from the dollar spot at Target. Three come in a pack for $3. They are very small that I took them apart to make a larger one. I will be putting the word home. Now you can use these burlap letters that you can pick up at Walmart. You can use some letters that Dollar Tree carries, but instead I decided to use my Cricut and just cut out the word. Actually, not the whole word. I cut out an H, M, and an E. But I did use the Dollar Tree vinyl. Now I'm going to add the letters and I'm using this ribbon just so like I know they're nice and straight because I'm going to use these like if I'm putting stickers. I didn't use the transfer tape to transfer them. To add the wreath, I will be adding a small little hook and I got this from the Dollar Tree. To decorate this a little more, I will be making a bow using this Dollar Tree ribbon. And that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this home sign turned out, and it looks so high-end and it was so easy and so inexpensive to make. For my next project, I'm using four of these. I will be making a planter. Now, to put these together and they don't overlap, I'm going to use these square dowels, which actually come from a Dollar Tree canvas. I'm actually reusing these because I forgot what I used these for. But anyways, I'm going to just cut them to size and now I'm going to glue the dowels on each side of the panels and then glue these together to make the planter. I'm going to decorate this a little more using some jute string. Now I'm not adding a bottom to this, but you can add a bottom using some popsicle sticks that Dollar Tree carries. But that is it for this planter. Look how beautiful and high-end this turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 of the panels and I'm going to glue these together. Now, I'm only using hot glue. You can't use like a stronger glue, but I'm not. The next item I will be using is one of these wood little planks. I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm just going to glue it in front of it. I use my Cricut to cut the word gather and add it to the little wood plank. To finish this off, I will be adding this greenery and bow. Now I already had this, but all I did is I cut 2 stems off of this boxwood pick that I got from Walmart. I tied it to the center and added the bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using another new Dollar Tree item, which is these little houses. They come in 3 different colors. This wood color, a black, and the white. Now I'm going to just decorate this using this peel and stick wallpaper that I also got from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it is new. I'm going to add a piece to the center. And to do that, I'm going to just I can't trace it, so I'm going to press it down so it can crease and I can cut it. To decorate the house, I'm adding some jute twine and adding a bow. The last thing I will be adding is this little sticker that I got from the Dollar Tree. It came in a little pack, but that is it. Look how beautiful and cute this little house turned out. that is it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.